the only detachment appointed or president in terms of the Umkhonto weSizwe constitution ile provincial detachment ekhona la. Bese siza ke ekutheni savakashela iGersibande region nge-11 zaka January samita emsuka lapha eMele. Kwakukhona the representatives, the communities la sathi kibo appointani 2 people, actually sagcina sesithe 3 people amagama wabo esizowathumelela ku Secretary General ukuthi baseve on the regional detachment. Emkhontweni weSizwe there's no one who's elected, people are appointed, and then naba appointiwa labo bantu labo bazosebenzela umphakathi. And sathi iGersibande ina 7 sub-regions, and kule 7 sub-regions kunama positions ay-8. So sathi kibo njenga nasiye Govenberg, because you are having a lot of wards, 32 wards, then you will be entitled ukuthi nithole ama position ay-2, and then each sub-region njengomkhondo kuzotholakala igama eli-1 out of these 3 names. But then ke the 3 names were submitted, anginawo manje handy lawo magama, but then I think kwakukhona some uSidu, I think kwakukhona uMngomezulu, and the third one angisakhumbula kwakubani uLanga ne. So lawo magama labo bantu labo sithe kibo even bafoma ipart ye sub-regional ye regional committee ye GERD. Kune WhatsApp group official one la fanele ba report khona ama activities, la fanele ba submit khona ama programs approver coordinator. Those are the only people efanele kube everything idilwa ngayo. Then sinomthabela oyi deputy organizer, and then uhlala emkhondo. So that's the person or approacher or ongasebenzisana nabo labo, the regional people. You understand? Aguna sub-regional detachment, aguna ward detachment, aguna VD detachment. But now here I'm saying to people, lesikhathi system emelo sathi each ward I identify 2 people. Namanje laba abantu abala possibly bebangekho lapha sithi mama leaders, they are ready to lead ward 1, identify additional 2 people, because in a ward detachment sina 4 people and additional 12 people. You understand? So baningi abantu abasazongena, and people abastope ukuloko baxwebhaxwebhana. Wonke umuntu akasebenzela umkhonto, nalabo sebathi bona bahleli uze kumkhonto uyi-individual, awukazeli kumkhonto ukuthi uzojoyina usibani bani, awukazi ujoyina uNjabulo, awukazi ujoyina uTreasure, awukazi ujoyina ubani, ujoyina umkhonto weSizwe. Do programs omkhonto weSizwe. Now ufuna ukwenza any program nalabo abangekho la, submit your programs, it's approved, you do it. Everyone must rally behind those people who are doing ama programs. So but then any letter publishwayo, i-letter fanele ibe i-letter i-issue through the detachment. Akuna anything ezabi publishwa bese abantu bagijima ngayo. I-detachment ezo-announcer, because sine provincial WhatsApp group where we share all our announcement. So if it's not shared in that provincial WhatsApp group, it means it's not non-existent. Nama programs sizowashare lapho, nama program of action sizowashare lapho. Ngiyabonga.